Hello, today I'm going to show how to install Linux Mint 20.2. Start the installer by clicking on the Install Linux Mint icon on the desktop. Select your language and press Continue. Select your keyboard layout and press Continue. Select if you want to install multimedia codecs. Select where you want to install Linux Mint and if you want to automatically partition the disk or assign manually the mount points. Confirm that you want to write the changes to the disk. Select your time zone on the map and press Continue. Create a user, set your host name, set your password and press Continue. Thank you for watching the video and please help the channel by sharing, leaving a like and subscribing.